General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the work. I was looking at the news. They got a poly market for insider trading, but they saying that the military betted on some Iran war attack on poly market. And so it's kind of weird. Like, they make him the poster child for insider trading when we got Nancy Pelosi, and it's like a dude in the military. It's life in 2026. Today's the 18th. It's a lame week as far as economic calendar. This NASDAQ ain't do no trading. Let's look at the 15-minute. Nice reaction off the 30-minute order block on the 15-minute. Nice sell from the 30-minute order block on the 15-minute. Looks even nice on the 5-minute. Respected 50 or mean threshold. Open range gap or open gaps down here. Fill the gap. Don't fill the upper half or don't rebalance. New York reversal daily profile. Not bad for a small range day. New York reversal profile. Nice reaction off the 30 order blocks. I like the wind call indicator for order blocks. Can we really call this expansion? Honestly, I see why it looks like looks like a retracement. This candle tail, this didn't take liquidity. This did. Hmm. Nice move down today. Hmm. Still in discount previous week's range. No, but this is the no section. Could get Tuesday low of the week. And NASDAQ repeat. Delivery from last week. I think Trump said he's gonna attack Iran tomorrow or something. They put a deadline on the deal. Trump, Iran. Call off Iran strike. Calls off Iran strike sites pending deal out. Yeah. Called off a plan to begin attacking Iran, citing a pending deal with the Middle East country in mid. So I think we're scheduling attacks for deal purposes. I don't know. They might be like, all right, we're gonna test it, but I don't know if they're gonna want to test it because he'll push that button and niggas, poor people will be over there and get shot. They probably do want a deal, especially when they cut that blockade. They can't make no money right now. It's all good. You ain't got no bread coming in. It ain't that good. Flat bottom still look like the target. They didn't test this order block. So now we got order block with engineer liquidity. And now we're kind of print. We'll put it on this interval only. We also got this here with the flat bottom. So we just got highs and lows everywhere for targets. Ideally, you want to see maybe a retracement to this wick and maybe consequent encroachment of this wick hold, and then more delivery down, hit this flat bottom. That'll be the target. FOMC minutes this week, and I think they're talking about inflation surging because of the war, and so they're thinking that Kevin Walsh might want to hike rates, but I think they just wrote that article because they ain't have nothing else to write. Like retracements to premium, lower prices, targeting. It's 02575.51. I could probably make this so it just don't look crazy. Settings don't extend. Alright. And do it like this. Don't try me. And target here. I take this off now. Here to here. Only lock that. Like that. Alright, we good. SPX 500. See it on a 15-minute first. It looks choppy. It did the same thing almost. Well, previous week's EQ was the key level there. Then we ended up sweeping that. Let's take a look at this one again. Very similar. I think it's just an old new week opening gap in. A lot of confluence. That's what got it looking a little messier. NAS is a word. We're going to have to add this to the dictionary. It's a rapper. It's all kind of stuff. That is interesting how we came down here. It's like something that need to be handled on a weekly. Did I grab the shot? Nah. old opening gap. The daily. We finished the doji. Definitely look like engineer liquidity will run one side and distribute to another. It's just giving accumulation day. Doji Mondays like build some of the best weekly profiles. I bet they waiting to see if we're gonna attack Iran. I wonder if that's gonna push the market up. It probably will. Crazy stuff. They might feel like we control the oil or something. Doji day. This Monday was before accumulation. This is the coil for the big move. Let's look at the stocks. Let's look at the SPY on M30. Is this an old? Yeah, that's the old new opening gap. It's a new day opening gap. We never even came back to it. What this is. Oh, this is Thursday, Friday gap. It's the Friday, Monday gap here. Let's change this color. See it a bit better. Whole new day opening. Hell for today. I don't trust the buy. Think it's retrace for a bigger sale. Alright, then QQQ. Let's get it on. Okay, we got the same thing here. Same as SPY. Okay, NVIDIA. It's a 30-minute. Very. It's weird looking. Probably extended, pushed it up for this gap. Had to be. Let's see what we do when we get back to this order block. I think if we rally this week, it'll be led by Nvidia since they had earnings on the 20th. They don't pop. I'm looking for a continuation sales. All right, framework play out. Yeah. What do we learn today? Our model showed up today. I didn't trade today. It's crazy. Crazy how it works like that sometimes. When we watch for tomorrow, lower prices after retracement. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.